Hello students, myself Mutturaj MP, working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering, Mysuru. I will explain you people about the emissivity of grey body and apparatus. What do you mean by the emissive power? Emissive power can be defined as the total amount of the thermal energy emitted per unit area per unit time for all possible wavelengths. That is what we so called as the emissive power. That means heat energy will be radiated in the form of electromagnetic waves with all possible wavelengths from any body. The heat energy, if it is emitted in the form of radiation, that will be so called as emissive power, that will be kept as the letter E. Emissivity of a body at a given temperature is the ratio of emissive power of the body to emissive of the perfect black body at given temperature. What is mean by the a body? Means a given body, whatever the body it is given. For example, we are all consider always the gray bodies. The gray body emissivity, it is always ranging from 0.1 to 0.99. Your emissivity of a gray body is equal to ratio of emissive power of the gray body to the emissive power of the black body. Emissive power of the black body is equal to sigma into AB into TB4 minus TA4. It is by the Stefan-Boltzmann's law. What it says, emissive power of the black body is directly any body is directly proportional to the fourth power of absolute temperature. Fourth power of the absolute temperature means you want to take here the black body temperature minus ambient temperature. It is sigma A. It is black body. Gray body. Therefore, emissivity is equal to this one. Area of the gray body and the black body both are the same. That's why you will be get this equation. This is the emissivity of the gray body. This value will comes around 0.82 to 0.84. That's all. This is the values. The average temperature you want to take in the experiment setup. 3 temperature you want to consider T1, T2, T3. Similarly, gray body you want to consider T4, T5, T6, and then ambient temperature you want to take T7. Therefore, ambient temperature you want to keep in terms of Kelvin. Everything in this you have to keep in Kelvin only. But Kelvin means whatever the temperature you will get in terms of the degree Celsius plus 273 you will get in terms of Kelvin. This is the tabular column. Please note down. These are the average temperatures of black body, gray body, then ambient temperature. V into I not required, even though you please note down in the tabular column. Average temperature T black body, average temperature gray body. This is the emissivity. In experimental setup you will have in our college, you will have the experiment setup like this. You will have the black body and then gray body. Here you see 3 thermocouples there are there on the black body. The temperatures are T1, T2 and T3. Here you have T4, T5 and T6, and then this is what I so called as the T ambient temperature. Therefore, T black body temperature it is equal to T1, T2 and T3 divided by 3 is equal to something plus 273. It is equal to something in terms of Kelvin. Similarly, gray body you want to take average of this one. This is the ambient temperature, thermocouple number 7. You want to note down the voltage and temperature, everything you can get here. Temperature indicator, thermostat reading. You can vary the temperatures. You want to give the same amount of the voltage to this body and then this one body. Specimen temperature, same amount of the heat energy must be given, but amount of heat energy will be emitted by different body will be the different depending upon the emissive power, emissivity. The Viva questions are these. This is the reading you want to note down. The diameter of the black body it is given 150 mm. 150 mm you want to take, but it is not required. Both the diameter are black body and gray body are same. T1 to T7 temperature you want to take. Here the temperature T1 to T3 black body temperature, T4 to T7 this will be the gray body temperature, you want to take a reverse. Sorry, this is the black body. This is the black body temperature, gray body temperature. Okay, you take this and then you keep here gray body. This is supposed to be the black body. Yes. Okay. Then you will get the answer. It is around 0.86. You please note down all these readings. Pause the video. Note down all the readings and then tabulate your values for result. These are the Viva questions. Thank you one and all.